everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am sorry I've been away for a couple of days. I ain't been feeling very good, and then I started new medicine, and I just had to, I don't know. I don't know. It just was like affecting me some kind of way, and whew. But now I'm okay. I'm okay. I just had to feel it out for a couple of days, and I'm okay now. The medicine was just weirding me out a little bit. They started me on this new medicine because I kind of like hit a brick wall as far as my weight loss, and I'm like was banging my head against the wall here, and so they kind of put me on something to help me get over that little bitty hurdle that I kind of hit. And if you're interested in what they put me on, I'll let you know, and we can discuss that. But wow, that's all I can say. It just, holy crap, that's all I can say. But anyway, let's get to this box that I was graciously sent. And this box is called Another World Escapes, and here it is. This is a pretty cool box. It is sci-fi fantasy novels accompanied by themed bath products. So this box is $32.99, and it is one box every 3 months. And your box will ship on the 15th of, this says March. I don't know why it says March. I don't think that they updated it. Maybe they're saying next March. I'm not entirely sure. For existing subscribers, they ship on the 15th of December, and then the 15th of March, maybe the 15th of June, and then the 15th of September. I'm assuming, I'm reading this directly off of Cratejoy, so that's what I'm assuming. They ship worldwide from the United States, and they automatically renew, and you can cancel anytime. And it says, Another World Escapes is out of this world self-care. Hand-selected sci-fi fantasy novels will send with a themed high-quality bath product, bath bombs, bubble bath, bath salts, etc., and 2 to 3 complimentary treats such as candles, sweets, teas, or other self-care products to give you an immersive hour escape from the everyday life. And like I said, this is one box every 3 months, and it's $32.99. And let's get into this box. Oh, I already untaped it because who wants to watch me struggle? So here's what we see when we open it up. Let me move this paper before it falls on the floor, because you know how I do it all the time. Come on now. We're having a hard time. Move over, paper. There we go. Ooh, it smells yummy-licious in here. I see some hot cocoa. That looks wonderful. Okay, and this says winter 2018. Let me move my iPad back out of the way, so we don't need that anymore. All right, and yes, there is some hot cocoa in here. And where are we? Land O'Lakes hot cocoa mix. There is a French vanilla, and this is, I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory. I do love some good hot cocoa. I am a hot cocoa connoisseur. Love me some hot cocoa. And there is 2. This one is the French vanilla and hot chocolate hot cocoa mix. And then we have, chocolate supreme hot cocoa mix, and you get 2 of them. Good cup of hot cocoa and a book. There we go. Ooh, I see something else. And then, I don't even know how to say this word. Niederegger, Niederegger, marzipan, I could say that word, marzipan pig, traditional good luck treat, contains almonds. And there is a little treat. Oh, isn't he just a little cutie? Little marzipan pig to have a little treat while you're reading your book. He's so cute. Aww. And that's nice that they tell you that it contains almonds in case of an allergy. And then we have, let's see here. This is a, where are we here? I'm trying to find this one. Okay, Hog's Watch Feast Candle by Bubble and Geek. Here's the candle. I'm sorry, I got something in my eye. It's driving me crazy. A piney spiced scent that will take you straight to the university's Great Hall. This says it is a festive blend of evergreen and cedar, accented with holiday spices and citrus. Oh. It's kind of cinnamony, Christmas tree scented. It's kind of, yeah. That smells wonderful. It reminds me of like a cinnamon apple pie Christmas tree. If that makes sense. But there's the candle. That's a pretty good sized candle. I like that. I like that. That is wonderful. And it's a soy candle, and they tend to burn a little bit longer. That's awesome. I like that. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Ooh, and we have a bath bomb. And this bath bomb is a cranberry spice bath bomb. And a rich fruit scented bath bomb with just a little good cheer. That smells wonderful. Ooh. Oh, wow. That does. That smells amazing. I love a good bath bomb now. That does smell wonderful. Look at that. I want to learn how to make these so bad. One day, my friends, I will learn how to make them. Hopefully, I will learn how to make them. If I can get it back in the bag now. I should have probably never took it out of the bag. I don't know why I took it out of the bag. Why did I take it out of the bag? Get in the bag. Please get in the bag. Thank you. It's crumbling. Is it supposed to crumble? I'm not sure. Some of them do that. Some of them don't. Some of them are like really... And now I can't get the bag sealed back up. Okay. We're just going to set it aside. All right. And then we have... Ooh, what is this? Winterfield Shea Butter Soap. Let's see here. Winterfield Soap by Greenwich Bay Trading with a light spiced wintry scent. Ooh. Oh, don't fall. Botanic Shea Butter made in the USA. I like to see that, made in the USA. I love American made products. Oh, wow. That, oh, look at the size of that bar of soap. Love, love, love handmade, homemade soaps. Love, that's a good way to my heart, is a handmade product. Handmade, homemade, even at Christmas time, my grandkids make me something handmade. You win grandma over every time. That is beautiful. It smells amazing. Clean, fresh scent. Love it. Love, love, love it. Perfect, 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 perfect. I will just love that tonight from my shower. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Gonna be having an awesome time in the shower tonight. And now we have one more thing in this box. And it is the book. After all, it is the book box, right? And this book is called The Hogfather by Terry Pratchett. Winter holidays have arrived on the disc world, but a fat man in a red suit has gone missing. Not to worry though. Death has a plan to put everything right. So, if I were making my list of best books in the 20th century, Terry Pratchett's would be most of them. And that Elizabeth Peters said that. Who would want to harm Discworld's most beloved icon? Very few things are held sacred in this twisted, corrupt, heartless, and oddly familiar universe. But the Hogfather is one of them. Yet, here it is, Hog's Watch night. Must be, that's like Christmas night. Hog's Watch night. That most joyous and acquisitive of times. And the jolly old red-suited gift giver has vanished without a trace. And there's something shady going on involving an uncommonly psychotic member of the Assassin's Guild and certain representatives of the Ankh Morpork's rather extensive criminal element. Suddenly, Discworld's entire myth system is unraveling at an alarming rate. Drastic measures must be taken, which is why Death himself is taking up the reins of the fat man's vacated sleigh, which in turn has Death's level-headed granddaughter Susan racing to unravel the nasty humbugging mess before the holiday season goes straight to hell and takes everyone along with it. Terry Pratchett is the fast, funny, and going places. Try him. Pierce Anthony. Okay, well, there's that's an interesting picture, and that is an interesting book. I'm quite I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this book. I mean, I'm quite I don't know how I feel about this book. That's my honest opinion. I really don't know how I feel about this book. I'm going to read it. I'm going to read the first, chapter and see how I feel about this book. This may or may not be my type of book. I think I may know who this book may interest. I think an uncle of mine this may be right up his alley. My Uncle Merle. I think this book may very well be right up his alley. I know you're listening, Uncle Merle. I know you are. So I think this book may be right up your alley. And if it is, just go ahead and comment below, because I know this may be right up your alley. I'm going to read the first chapter, and we'll just see. I mean, it looks interesting, but But if you're interested in this book box and this genre, fantasy novel, science fiction, fantasy novel type book box, I mean, it's a wonderful bath book box. Honestly, I mean, you get candles and snacks and shower stuff. It's an awesome book box. Who wouldn't want this book box? It's awesome. Go ahead and click the link below, and I'm definitely flustered here. Sorry, guys. The title threw me. It just threw me. I really was like at a loss for words there. So, if you would like to get one of these boxes, Another World Escapes, I will leave the link down below so that you can get yourself one of these wonderful, wonderful boxes. I definitely recommend this box. I mean, they are different boxes, right? And who doesn't love a different story once in a while? Different as in not the same old boring book all the time. Same predictable storyline. These definitely are not your predictable storyline. So I will leave the link down below so that you can scoot on over to Cratejoy, click on the link, and get yourself another world escape. Amazing. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video real soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right over there, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because, well, why not? What else you got to do today, right? Okay, guys, I'll see you next time. And don't forget to check out these videos that I have provided for you here and here and here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button over here. All right. Bye now.